fucking respect me now. I don't fucking work for you! Work all fucking day for you to humiliate me. Tell me I'm shit. Never fuck me. Look at you. What? Oh, you got something to say? Do you? You do, bitch? Yeah? Oh, good. Well, it better be fucking good. Let's fucking hear it. What?
I'm not your wife. I'm not your wife, Stuart. I'm not your wife. She doesn't understand you. She doesn't understand you. Like I do, and I see how you're strong.
I am strong. I am
see
fucking Hercules!
I know, I see it. I saw it last night. I was hoping you would kiss me. I wanted you to kiss me. I thought about you all night.
Get on the fucking floor. You scared? You fucking better be.
I am. I like it.
Look at me. Bitch. You fucking whore.
Get in the chair! Get in the fucking chair! What's the code?
Fuck you!
What's the fucking code? What?
It's your birthday!
December 12th? Oh, that is fucking sick.
Control 2.
Fuck! It's not opening! It's not fucking opening!
Yes, it is. Kill her! She's right up there behind you! Kill her! Shoot her, motherfucker! Shoot her! Kill her! Kill her! Don't shoot me, girl! Don't shoot some cunt, some fucking cunt! Don't shoot it, fucking some cunt, fucking! Don't do it, guys! Fucking cunt, what are you doing? For fuck's sake! Jesus fucking Christ, no! Shit! Get him! Застрочен.
Wait! I want to buy my way out of here!
You can't afford it.
Don't tell me what I can't afford. There's nothing I can't afford. I could buy and sell everyone in this room.
You going to call your parents for money?
No, motherfucker! It's my money. Just get me a PDA, a SWIFT number, and a recipient name. I have accounts in Switzerland, Luxembourg, and the Isle of Man. Just name your fucking price! Trust me, I got it!
Okay.
business.
I'll pay more!
Now there's a second mortgage on your house, and your daughter's private school tuition. That's why your friend pay.
What's the number?
Money is not the only issue. We have contract here.
What kind of contract?
Anyone who comes to this place cannot leave without killing.
I'm still gonna kill you, you fucking stupid cunt.
What did you say to me?
You're a stupid fucking
Let him bleed to death.
Misha, нет!
Isn't this great? Right? It's so crazy. Hey! Get back here! Wait! Hey! Wait! Wait! Hey! You fucking here! Wait! Nostrovia.